Everyone keeps saying the easiest way to earn from a side hustle is to do Amazon affiliate marketing. You just need to promote Amazon product and you will start earning commission from it. But the reality is quite different. Before you can even think about sales and commissions, the hardest part is getting audience which will see your content, click your link and then buy. And even before that, you need a complete process. And this includes knowing how to join, what happened after sign up, how to find products, how to get affiliate links, how to share them, what are the terms and policies of Amazon, which are very important for you to know it. And the most important thing, how will you get your first sales? And if you want to start, you cannot miss all of these informations. And everyone on Instagram and YouTube are just giving some basic information of how to get link and how to start promoting product. Just giving you basic and half information about Amazon Associate Program. And not many people are talking about the important policies and rules Amazon have. But I'm going to explain everything to clear out your confusion because I have spent my time in learning and researching about it. So Amazon Affiliate is all about recommending product through your content, sharing links, and whenever someone buys from your link, you earn a commission. And you can do these things by joining Amazon Affiliate Program. Many people get confused about link, like you cannot pick any random link and start promoting it. You will not earn commission from it. First of all, you need to join the program. The step-by-step process of sign up is go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, click sign up button, fill your account information, tell them from which platform you will promote your product, enter your bank information, and submit the application. By the way, before signing up for the affiliate program, you must have the platform from where you will promote product. Like if you're making content on Instagram, then you must have already created account on it and you should already have some content on it. Because Amazon will check all these things after you submit your application, and Amazon will take at least 1 to 3 days to review your application, and they will see, is your content original, not copy-paste? Do you have at least some posts and videos? Are you promoting appropriate product? Overall, they will check that you are a real person with a real account. So don't stress about it. Just make sure that you must have some content on your platform from where you will promote the products. Then if you get approved, you will get the full access to the dashboard. And if for some reason you get rejected, Amazon will tell you the reason. Then you can solve it and apply again. Then after you get approved, you get a tracking ID. It's just like your ID card from school or office. Just like that, Amazon gives its affiliate a tracking ID to track their sales. And then you get access to the link generator tool, which will help you to get the affiliate link of the product, which you will promote in future. Now from here, you are half qualified to become an Amazon affiliate. Because to become a complete affiliate, you need to get 3 sales within 180 days, which is 6 months, to activate your account. Your account is not fully activated when you first sign up. 3 people needs to buy something from your affiliate link within 180 days. And if you cannot get 3 sales in 6 months, your account will get closed. And remember, these sales must be generated from your affiliate links. And don't stress about these 3 sales. You can easily get it from any of your family members or friends. Just tell them to buy something from your link and you can get 3 sales easily. And if you don't have anyone who can buy from your link, then don't worry, just start posting content consistently and you will easily get 3 sales within 6 months. It's a long period of time and you can easily get it. So focus on making good content. Then what happens after you get 3 sales? Amazon approves your account completely and you can start earning commission perfectly. Now your account is fully activated. And that's it. You are an Amazon affiliate now. You can start promoting product and you can earn commission. And please don't overcomplicate these things. I told you everything and these things will not happen overnight. So don't stress about it. Take small steps. Make your account where you will promote your product. Make some content. Then apply for the program and you will get accepted for it. And there are a few points you need to avoid. Using links in paid ads like Facebook ad and Instagram ad. You need to disclose that it's an affiliate link. Don't spam links everywhere. Do not copy product description. Your content should be original. Don't promote wrong product like adult, illegal or excluded items. Don't put affiliate links into email and don't spam links in anyone's comment section. You need to avoid these mistakes. And lastly, how will you get your sales? Well, it completely depends on you and your consistent posting. Many people expect that they will post few content on YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest and they can start getting sales. But the reality is completely different. When you are just starting out, the results are very slow. Algorithm takes time to show you content. That's why you will get low views in your starting phase. But if you keep posting consistently for 3 to 4 months, you will start seeing some result. And you should keep this in your mind that when you are starting, your goal should be to improve your content and get some decent views because you will not start as a master. You will make some mistake. You will get stuck at some places and that's how you will grow. And if you wait till you get all the complete knowledge, a good phone and other things to start, then believe me, you will just waste your time. Taking imperfect action teaches you more than a perfect planning. Don't directly jump on getting sales and views. Take small actions and as time passes, you will see some result. And if anyone is promising you overnight success, completely avoid those people as they just want views and attention or they may be trying to sell you a course. Because I have already spent my time and energy on it. So I know all of these things. So keep this in your mind. If you want to earn money online, nothing is easy here. And subscribe if you want more honest side hustles breakdown. I keep making these kind of videos and also like if you learn anything from this video. And if you want to know how to pick product, then your niche will decide the product selection. Watch these videos to get knowledge on how to pick niche and know more about affiliate marketing. And I will see you guys in the next one.